yes. We have
so talented.
very talented
Yeah,
people.
really, more than you.
I know.
They should be singers singing ooh, ooh, ooh.
What am I doing with my life?
What is my life?
Wasting.
All right, well, we have fans from all over the world who love K-pop and who love the artists who come on this show, singing, dancing, rapping. We've had ice skating, baton twirling. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah. You're not even, oh, that was a rhyme.
I
Sorry.
know, that's a rhyme.
That's a rhyme.
That's a rap. That's a rap.
All
That's
right.
a rhyme.
And
rhymes.
today we're gonna be meeting some of our amazing fans again, and we're gonna play a game called How Well Do You Know K-pop? So guys, actually, how well do you guys know K-pop?
I only know ooh. That's,
That's it?
yeah,
the only
that's my
song you
only
know.
playlist.
I heard that's the only thing you need to know. Yeah?
Yeah. You nailed it.
She's speechless.
Putting how well do you know K-pop?
I know it pretty well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like,
Titi Bang Bang?
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah.
And Brad, are you like an open encyclopedia of K-pop or
Yeah, no. I
Grover
mean,
Francis?
Breadcopedia.
there's just so many groups.
Or-
But
There
like,
are.
but if it was like Big Bang only, like GD trivia, I'd nail it.
Ah, you're a GD fan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But
You got the style of GD.
I try my best. What's up, GD?
Here's your boy.
It's your boy GD.
Yeti, what about you? How well do you know
Me?
K-pop?
I'm listening to it this day.
Yeah, what are you listening to most lately?
Ooh.
Oh, you don't care.
I'm pretty sure that was sarcastic.
We're a team. We're a team.
All right.
So much emotion
All
behind
right.
it.
Clearly, she just loves the song.
Oh, pretty baby.
Yeah, something
I'm
like that.
pretty.
All right, well, here's the game. Our fans are going to quiz us on K-pop by performing these songs. They can sing, rap, dance, give us any hints that they want, and we have to guess the title
We
of
have
the
to guess.
song. Yes, we have to get it
Whoa.
right.
Oh, okay.
All
So
right?
we're one team.
We're one team right now.
Okay.
All right.
Versus the viewers.
We are
All right.
one.
We are one.
Together.
We are one together.
Yeah.
Our pirates combined. I am Captain Planet. I know, you know it. You know it. All right, let's go ahead and meet our first hangout participant. It's Amanda. Hey, Amanda.
Amanda.
Hi.
Hi,
Hello, Amanda.
Amanda, how are you?
I'm fine. Good. Yeah.
Great. When did you
Cool.
first start
All right.
to like K-pop?
I first started liking K-pop like exactly a year ago
Oh, yeah?
when I got into Super Junior because my friend showed me a video and yeah.
Cool.
Which video was it?
Sorry.
She showed me Mr. Simple and then I thought they danced really nicely. So
Nice.
It's the simple.
I learned their names, but then it was really hard to learn their names. So it took me 6 months to actually get back into them.
Oh, there are a lot of
So-
names.
Yeah.
There are a lot of
Yeah.
names.
There's
There are
50
a lot of-
members in Super Junior. There's 50 of them.
59.
Yeah. Oh, 59. There's 59 members.
Really?
Yeah. There's so many. Yeah.
Whoa.
Anyways,
Yes, we are.
what is your first hint gonna be?
My first hint,
Mm-hmm.
like do I start singing?
Well, is it?
Yeah.
So it's a song,
Should we
right?
guess?
It's a song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go for the song title, right?
Okay, so we got okay.
Wait, do we have a team name?
We're
Okay.
Oh, we are called Brunhurnimajat.
yes. All right.
Okay.
We're ready for you. Whenever you're ready, man.
Let's go, Amanda.
Okay. 너를 먹고 가둔 다연 사랑과 무기체 미라데
Oh.
Yeah. This is
걸릴 수 없는데 자유롭게 부여놓고
Shiny.
바라보아 오직 너만 채울게
Shiny.
너만 가득
Lucifer.
Lucifer. Ding 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 ding
Yes.
ding ding.
Yeah.
ding.
What's your team name again?
Shiny.
No, our team name.
Oh,
Producer.
Bruna.
Yes. One. Is that right? Did we get it?
We got it?
Yes,
Chinese
yeah,
Lucifer.
you got
All
it.
right. We got one. We got one. All right.
Good job, team.
All right. What's the next one?
The next one. Okay, start now. 사랑한다 말하며 난 정말 녹아요. 오늘 같은 바라며 볼 모양. 하루. Yeah, that's it. That's the clue.
What?
Is it K-Will?
Wait, 사랑.
Did you not get that? I'll
Is
say
it
it again.
K-Will?
사랑한다 말하며 난 정말 녹아요.
사랑한다 하면 난
어,
정말
눈
녹아요.
If you say you love me, I melt.
하며 볼 모양. What does it say there?
If you love me, if you love me.
Is that
Okay,
right?
it's It's a song and it's in spring, very spring oriented.
Is it K-Will?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it really?
Oh.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got it.
Oh my.
Is it that?
No.
What's the title? What's some K-Will titles? Love Blossom.
Love Blossom. Popcorn.
Yeah, it's Love Blossom.
Hey, Love Blossom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It's
Oh, is it? This is that song?
Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah.
All right, Amanda. Well, thank you, Amanda, for hanging out with us.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you,
We'll see
Amanda.
soon.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.